Hello everyone. This assignment is about decision tree. Using this data set, we can find out whether we have to play the ball game or we have to cancel the game depending on the weather conditions. Class is the target variable, a target attribute, and outlook, temperature, humidity, wind are the dependent variables on which the decision is dependent on these four variables to find out the class, that is to play or don't play. In this, we have the first question in this assignment. We have to find out the information gains associated with outlook and humidity. So we have to find out the information gains by splitting the data, the attributes into subsets. So here we can see sunny, overcast, rain are the three subsets of outlook, and for humidity it is given in the question. The threshold is 75, so we will be splitting it into two parts. One is the less than 75, less than or equal to 75 is one part, and greater than 75 is the other part. To find out information gain, we have to find out the entropy. First, we have to find out the entropy of the whole data set, and then we have to find out the entropy of the particular attributes, that is the outlook, the temperature, the wind, and humidity. So here we are just finding out the two attributes, entropy and information gain, that is outlook and humidity. The entropy formula here is minus P plus into log 2 P plus P minus into log 2 P minus. Here P plus and P minus are the probabilities. P plus is the positive probability, that is the probability of play, and P minus is the negative probability, that is the probability of don't play. And after finding out the entropy of the whole data set, we have to find out the entropy of the outlook and humidity. So for outlook we'll be splitting the data into three parts: sunny, overcast, and rainy, and we'll be using the same formula for each split. And again we have to find out the weighted entropy of the whole outlook using this formula. H weight is equal to summation of SI divided by S into HSI. So SI here is the instances, the number of instances in a subset. So subset here we can see rainy, overcast, and sunny. So number of instances in the particular subset and divided by the total number of instances in the data set. And we will be multiplying this fraction with the entropy of SI. SI is the particular subset. And this outlook, weighted entropy of the outlook will be subtracted from the whole entropy, whole data set's entropy, to find out the information gain of the particular attribute. So here we considered it as outlook. And the same thing is done with the humidity. Here we'll be finding out, we have split into two, as we have discussed earlier. We have split this humidity into two parts: less than or equal to 75 and greater than or equal to 75. Again we will be finding out the weighted entropy for humidity with the same formula, and Ig, that is information gain for humidity, by subtracting the weighted humidity entropy from the whole data set's entropy, and we will be getting the outputs. So this is explained, this is done in the Python program. We also have another two parts in the same assignment. We have to find out the gain ratios associated with outlook and humidity, that also is done in the Python code. So let's see what is gain ratio. Gain ratio is the information gain divided by the split information. So information gain, whatever we have found out earlier, that will be divided from the split information. So now what is split information here? Split information is the entropy of splitting data based on attribute values. So these values, we have the formula as summation of Si divided by S. Si is the instance or the subset of the attribute divided by the whole attribute entropy. So Si is the entropy of the particular subset, and that will be divided with the whole data set entropy and multiplying with log 2 of the same Si divided by S. So this is a split information formula. And also we have to draw a decision tree which is not pruned, and all these things I have done in the Jupyter Notebook. So first, the first question, we have to find out the information gain associated with the information gain associated with the two attributes, that is outlook and humidity. So I'll just run this. So let's see what are the modules here. In the first module, I have imported the required libraries, and then we have this entropy formula. I have defined the entropy formula, and in the next method we have the probabilities. Okay, these probabilities are computed in this second method, and this method in turn calls the entropy method. We have this information gain method. Again, we have defined the information gain method here, and this information gain method in turn calls the compute entropy method. So this will be the formula to calculate the information gain, and these are the formulas to find out the entropies, and calling the entropy from the from this methods. This is the information gain. I have loaded the data set here. I have taken an Excel file and loaded it here, and then we can see the head of the data set, tail of the data set information, description, and here I have assigned variables for the column names just to use it in this program. Then we can see this h_s, the entropy of the whole data set. We are calling the entropy, calculate entropy method here, and we got the whole data sets entire data sets entropy as 0.94. So here we have the total entries 14, and we have 5 don't play and 9 plays. Here we have computed the information gain for the outlook. Information gain outlook formula, we are importing the information gain method here into ig_outlook, and we are producing it. So we can see this split here. The outlook is split into 3 parts, that is sunny, overcast and rainy, and we have 5 entries in the sunny, 4 entries in overcast, 5 entries in rainy, and we got the information gain 0.247 for the outlook. And again we have computed information gain for humidity by splitting it into two parts, two subsets, less than or equal to 75 and greater than 75. And here we can see we have imported the information gain method into this module to the variable ig underscore humidity. So this split is shown here. We have printed the split here like this, and again we have this split detailing, like the number of entries, and we have the information gain 0.045. so like this we can find out the whole data set, the whole data set's attributes information gain. After finding out that, we can decide depending on the information gain what attribute should be the root node of your decision tree. So in this case we have 0.24 information gain for outlook, and this will be the root node. Outlook will be the root node of decision tree. That we'll see in the third question. Now I am showing this gain ratio module. I'll just run this code. So again it's like I've imported the required libraries, and entity formula is given, and again I have computed entity, and then information gain, loaded the data set, and then we have split information method here. Then we have gain ratio. So the gain ratio is again using the split information, and then the split information in turn uses the probabilities, that is entropy method, and then we get the output information gain. This information, first two information gain and split information, this is for this first two is for outlook, and this information gain and split is for humidity. And gain ratio, I just printed the formula of gain ratio here, and gain ratio of outlook is 1, and gain ratio of humidity is 3.17. This is the gain ratio program of ball game, and this is the program for decision tree, the complete decision tree without pruning. So I just considered the humidity threshold as 75 and temperature threshold as 85, and this is the final decision tree we got. So this same code I have run in Power BI using Python script. This Python script, Python visual. So just we need to add, we first have to import the data set. So I have used Excel, so I can just import the data set. I use this as assignment on decision tree data set, and open, then this will be imported, and then we have to transform it and then we can use that data set for Python coding. So I just open this Python script, and we can add, we have to add the attributes, and just you can copy paste the data, copy paste the program from this Jupyter Notebook. Whatever code you have written in the Jupyter Notebook, you can just copy paste it. I have done it already. So this is the final decision tree we got, and the attributes are shown at the top left corner. So this is a program on decision trees. So we have the three codes on decision trees. That is, first thing, we have found out the information gain of humidity and outlook, and then we found out the gain ratio using the formula information gain divided by split information, and decision tree visualization is done by importing different libraries like Matplotlib, sklearn, trees, whatever required libraries we have imported, and we have produced the decision tree in Python, in the Jupyter Notebook, and in the Power BI as well, using the Python script. Thank you.